63 customizing kit. 3-in-1 stock custom competition. An authentic AMT 125th scale model. Build as a beautiful custom. Let's take a look at what model we're going to be opening and unboxing today. This is a 63 Chevy Impala Super Sport Convertible. It's a 3-in-1. Beautiful artwork. Here we have a layout of the parts. Let's go ahead and take a look and see the contents of what we got in this kit. All right, so let's start things off with the instructions. And right here you can see the 3 different styles from stock, competition, and custom. Here we have the engine, interior, wheels, body, final stock assembly. Then flip it over to this side. Final competition assembly there. Final custom. This is what I'm most interested in, is the custom side. And then here we have George Barris, Alexander Bros, Bill Cushenberry, Jen Winfield. Nice. All right, so chrome. Let's take a look at the sheet of chrome. Everything looks like it's still intact. It doesn't look like anything's falling off yet. Let's take a look here. It's a nice sheet of chrome. 1963. Let's get a close-up. This is really nice. Let's set that down over here. Next up, we have the glass still in the tree right here. Part of the grill, headlights, and the glass right there. The centerpiece, the body. Everything looks very sharp. Nice, no paint on it whatsoever. Surprisingly, this is still intact. For the most part in convertibles, a lot of times that part right there in the center gets snapped off. But this looks really good. Here we have the bottom chassis as well. Yeah, everything's still there. This piece is still attached on there. The interior tub, still connected with the dashboard right there. Convertible rag. Oh, this is still connected. So I thought it came off, but nope. We got the seats. We also have the hood. Set this down right here. It's the rag top. Wow, everything is still intact right here. That's cool. This thing's just been sitting here for years, waiting for one day to be built. All right, here we go. We got another one full of all the parts for the engine, license plates. And now we get down to our first tree with a lot of missing parts. Pretty sure they're down inside the box. Let's set this right here. This is what we have inside now. Lots of loose parts. The white walls. Tail lights to give you some different options right there, especially for the custom. Let's take a look at the tires. So yeah, these are going to be applied together with the white walls. As you can see, there's no white wall on them, but that's what the stickers are there for. Let's put those right over here. Here, let's try to scoot all this down and get down to the, let's bring out the water slide decals here. Wow, look at that. We got some flames. This is stuck. Let's see, try to be a little careful here. Let's see if we can get it off. We're almost there. There we go, we got it. Wow, that's cool. Not sure if I'm gonna use them, but just to keep, you know. It's been with us all these years. Gonna be a nice keepsake right here. Set this down. We also have the instructions here for applying the white walls, which we have over on this side right here. This goes together. All right, let's take a look. Let's go ahead and do a little dump out of all the items that are here. It would just take forever if I was pulling everything out. Let's see, let's set this right here. Ah, there we go. Let's set that right there. Let's set this down. All right, so let's see what we have here. A roll pan for the custom parts. Hood scoop. We have some seats here. Is this for the turntable? Yup. Turntable cover. There's a close-up of the turntable right there. Little cover. A little television set. So these are all the little accessories here. And then we also have the engine block right there. Some of the parts for the wheels. Screws. Yep, all 4 screws are here. There. The little hinge for the hood and the 2 axle rods. Man, this thing, to me, it looks pretty complete. And we also have for the 2 antennas right there. Really happy with this purchase that I got right here. You know, every time I open one up, it's always different. It's a different surprise. Sometimes, you know, we're missing things a little bit less. And then sometimes, you know, we get some extras. But this right here, it looks like we got pretty much everything that came with the kit right here. So really happy about that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more future videos unboxing. Please take care. Thank you for watching.